Welcome to Easy Science TV. Whenever you find a question like this in the exam hall, just understand that it has to do with algebra. Okay, now we are given that the first three terms of an arithmetic progression are 2x plus 1, 5x minus 2, and 8x minus 5. These are the first three terms in the progression. Now, if the first term is 7, find the fourth term. Now we know the first term, this 7. This equals to this. So we are going to equate this to this. That's the meaning. So we are going to begin by taking this first term. First term is 2x plus 1. This is the first term. And it is equals to 7. So we are going to solve for x in this first term. That gives us 2x equals to 7 minus 1. Taking plus 1 to the other side. So we are now going to have 2x equals to 6. Then we can divide both sides by 2. And that gives x to be what? To be 3. But what are we looking for? We have to look for the fourth term. Now, we can't get the fourth term except you know the first term and the common difference. So we already know the value of x. Substitute into the common difference. What is the common difference? Common difference d is equals to 5x. D is equals to second term minus first term. That is 5x minus 2, then minus 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Right? So we can use this method. So now that we have written d to this, we are going to clear the brackets. So let's clear the brackets. If we clear the bracket, we have d to be 5x minus 2. That is 5x minus 2. This is minus 2x. Minus 2x. Then minus times plus is minus. So that's minus 1. So bringing like terms together, we are going to have 5x minus 2x. Then minus 2. Then minus 1. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. And minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. This is d. But we have to get the value of d, okay, without x. So we are going to substitute for the value of x here. X is 3. It means we have d equals 3 to the bracket of 3 minus 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 minus 3. Then d is equals to 6. Now that we are done with the value of d, and we already know a to be 7, don't forget that, then we have to find the fourth term. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is tnth equals to a plus open bracket n minus 1 then d. So then for the first term we have t fourth is equals to a is 7, which is the first term, then plus bracket n is 4. N is 4, that is 4 minus 1, then times d. D is 6. D is 6. So we are now going to solve it. Right? Let's create another line here. So it means that the fourth term is going to be 7 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. Then times 6. Then this gives us 7 plus 3 times 6 is 18. So our final answer here will be 7 plus 18, which is 25. So this is the value of the fourth term.